People struggling during the pandemic, millions of people could now be at risk of eviction this winter when the moratorium on evictions expires at the end of the year.
Our Jenny Young is live tonight with details on a new program put in place by the court in Clark County, and this could prevent countless evictions. Jenny?
That's right, Elizabeth. This is called the Eviction Resolution Program. It's been adopted by Washington's 6 largest counties, including Clark County. And this is something that the Supreme Court gave these lower courts permission to do.
The fear of being kicked out of your home. It's a worry many renters are facing. And landlords, they too have their own set of fears.
From a landlord standpoint, there's nothing stopping the expenses. They still have to pay their property taxes. They still have to pay their mortgage. They still have to pay their insurance.
Since February, more than 1 million people in Washington have lost their jobs. The National Low-Income Housing Coalition says without federal intervention, millions of households could face eviction. That could trigger a wave of downstream costs.
There are a couple of things that concern me greatly. One would be a massive wave of housing destabilization and a massive increase in homelessness.
Clark County Superior Court Judge David Gregerson says that's part of the reason the court decided to participate in what's being called the Eviction Resolution Program.
It was developed by people higher up at the state, and the question put to us was, does Clark County want to participate?
The goal of the program is for landlords and tenants to come to an agreement before the issue of unpaid rent reaches the court. Tenants are set up with an attorney, and each case is assigned a professional mediator to help work out an agreement, and quickly.
We insisted that if we were going to support this program, we couldn't have landlords waiting months and months to get in to do a mediation. We set a benchmark for performance of trying to get them within 2 weeks.
Judge Gregerson says ERP will hopefully not only minimize court disputes, but also bring some hope to folks in crisis.
Every conscientious government servant is trying to look at our laws and our policies that are in place and trying to serve the public as best we can, managing some very powerful competing interests and trying to get through this, what is hopefully a short-term crisis, get us into the spring and the summer when the vaccines have come online.
Okay, Judge Gregerson says that the program does have some grants for tenants who might qualify, those grants funded through the Federal CARES Act. And this is something that landlords are required to participate in before they can file for eviction. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.
Jenny, thank you.